Okay, Outre, come through with the little hair accessories or whatever.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Plus you gon' get right, what the hell do you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Boy, you better take it time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit my line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. One of a kind, better blow your mind. I ain't one of them conky pines to get lost behind when you don't blow the spine. That too, cause you lose your focus. I know what they're doing is bogus. Hold this, I be using my lotus flower bomb to turn you on. So if I'm wrong, just sing along. Fondling my heart and soul. Run the play and make the goal. Steady, are you ready? Gonna pay the toll. Here come the confetti, now lick the bowl. You can call me Betty when you crack the pot. I'm sweaty when you pop the top. Pull the lever now, don't just stop. Hot and heavy when you hit the spot. Boy, you better take it time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit my line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. I've been on when you've been over me. I'm beyond the sun, you're underneath. I've been having fun, you wanna be. I've been on the run and roaming free. You've been trying to get alone with me. All up in my zone and my phone I see. Can't leave me alone cause you're prone to me. Coming to my home trying to get a peek. Say you can't sleep cause I make you leave. You can't speak when you're next to me. Texting me, you know that you're the best for me. Testing me, I know you almost left to me. Boy, you better take it time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another newer unit from Outre. I'm wearing this one in the style Stich Braid Ripple Wave 30 and the color number 1B. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band. It is pre-plucked. It does come with baby hairs, and you do get 13x4 HD lace parting space. So let me just come in and show you guys the hairline on this one. So as y'all can see, the lace on this one is pretty see-through, so you can kind of see my cap as well. So I probably would opt for going for a darker colored cap underneath. My cap underneath right now is a dark brown, and I feel like you can still definitely see that line of demarcation. So I definitely would probably say either go with a black cap or no cap at all, just to make it more seamless, because I'm really not here for that. One of the things I did definitely notice about this unit that I'm not the biggest fan of, and one of the reasons why I actually do have it in this half up, half down style, is this demarcation situation that's going on here. It's kind of harder to tell in the half up, half down, but I feel like you can kind of tell exactly where the lace stops, which I'm not a fan of at all. So that's definitely a downside of this unit. So I feel like it's a little hard to make it look as realistic as possible, especially if you're wearing a lighter color with cap underneath like I am. So definitely beware of that, y'all. This is one that's definitely going to take work. But aside from that, as you can see, the braiding is really, really cute. It did not come with as many beads as I did go in and add. I want to say it came with like 4 beads max, and I just went and added a couple extra because I'm extra, like this cute little cross one that I got going on there. But I do like the fact that it did actually come with the accessorized beads as well, because those are always a nice little cute realistic touch. Now the length on this one, like it says on the stock card, is 30 inches, honey, so it is a lot of hair, super long. So let me just show you guys what that's actually looking like, honey. 30 inches. This is my belly button. It's like belly button length, and I'm 5'3" for reference, honey. Density on this one is definitely minimum 150%. It's probably leaning more towards like 180. I did not go through and finger comb it at all, because even with the little bits of finger combing I was doing, definitely did notice tangling, definitely did notice shedding. Texture on this one is definitely leaning more towards a dried out yaki. Kind of happier that it's not on the silky side, but definitely beware, you are going to get tangling, you are going to get shedding. It's a long synthetic curly unit, honey. I feel like this one is going to be a cute one if you're a person that likes like braided type hairstyles and you don't want to sit there and get your hair braided. This is definitely a cute one for that, just like if you're going for a specific look or whatever. The lace on this does go ear to ear. As far as the cap size on it is concerned, I feel like it's definitely small and medium head friendly, possibly big head friendly-ish. I would say if your head's on the bigger side, you're probably not going to necessarily be able to take advantage of the ear-to-ear lace. Like I said, like you could see, it's struggling a little bit for me. I did get it to go ear to ear, and what you probably can do is just this additional braid that's right here, you could probably just pull it forward some to give you some more security and pull it forward. But my head is about 22 to 22 and a half inches in circumference, and I feel like it's just meeting it. That's definitely something to be aware of. The cap does have has an okay amount of stretch, so I feel like small to medium definitely wearable. Larger size head manageable, but it's definitely going to be work if you're trying to take advantage of the full ear to ear lace situation going on. As far as the baby hair is concerned, the baby hairs do go all around the perimeter of the unit, y'all. It does come with like little sideburn situations. One thing definitely to note though, I did go in and pluck out some of the baby hairs because it's easy to hide baby hairs in a unit when it's not braided, just because you could simply just brush the baby hairs back. But when it's a braided unit like this, you don't want to look all crazy with a bunch of baby hairs just like brushed into the hairline. So I just went in and tweezed out the additional baby hairs that I didn't want, and I feel like it's looking pretty good. Like, it's okay. Probably would recommend Simply Styling silicone spray just to tone down the tangling shedding. I feel like this is probably for a specific look, specific event. Like, you know, this is definitely gonna be like a special occasion type unit. I think you could more so make it along the lines of an everyday unit if you were to definitely go and cut this unit down. But just like I said, even if you cut it down, just because the texture itself, I feel like you're absolutely going to get tangling and shedding, so that's just something to keep in mind. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My one and only con, honestly, is probably just going to be, like I said, that weirdness that's going on with the lace, being able to tell like exactly where it stops. And you can't always just take the braids out and just wear it as a normal 13x4 frontal. That's an option, but I feel like if you're buying this unit, you're buying it for the actual look. And that's probably going to be the only negative that I have. I feel like it's definitely easy to kind of hide that issue, whatever, so I'm alright with that. As far as my pros on this unit, I feel like the hair quality itself is okay. The baby hairs, I do like the baby hairs. I like the hairline. I like the braids itself. I think it's a cute style, length, density, all that was on point. So as a whole, I feel like this is a pretty cute unit if the braided look is what you're going for. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.